That's good to know.
All right, here we are at 14F. First I'll do a sweep out here. This is the porch. So the stairs right there go to another unit. Parking is just directly out there. And come right in here to the unit. It's a cute little bench. This storage bin right here has chairs and such in it. And inside the door. All right, so this is what we were talking about on the phone. Come in the door, and then that first door on the right is the bedroom, and on the left we have a hallway. So I'm gonna go down this hallway because there weren't a lot of pictures of this. So your little desk, this is a built-in desk, and it's overlooking the front porch there. And down the hall here, we're going to walk down there in a second, but to the right is a storage closet. This one is locked. You'll see that it says owner's closet right there. So they have put the personal belongings in there. The garage here is also an owner use only garage, but one of the wonderful things about this unit is that the garage is connected. So not all the units have a connected garage. In the hall here, washer and dryer, which stay with the unit. These came with, they're energy efficient. And then at the end is a half bathroom. Oh, sorry, the lights aren't all on here. So just turned the fan on. You can hardly hear it, nice and quiet. And looking back down here. Now these doors are open right here. Those are to the laundry, and they're just accordion doors. They shut super easy, so you're not gonna have all that room taken up in the hallway. They just had it opened for us so that we could see it easily. So back to the front entry. There, all right. So we're back at the front entry. To the left was that hallway, and we're going to take a few steps in, and to the right, this is the master bedroom. Remember we talked about the yellow room. This is it. The lamps are hooked up to light switch there. Out that door, or that window, is the front porch. Let's pan around the room really quick. The pictures of this room were pretty good. So you saw the bed, you saw the bathroom. It's in very good condition. There's no need for any extra caulking around any of the edges. I do see one little crack in the tile, which happens on tile. Sometimes there's cracks. So hopefully you can see that right there. That's the only thing that I'm seeing wrong with this place so far. So back up. High quality everything here. All right. The thing you didn't see in the pictures was this large closet right here. Technically, I guess you could say it's a walk-in closet because I can definitely walk into it. Nice light here, wrap around. But I wouldn't say it's a huge closet, but it is a nice size closet right there. We'll do one more sweep. There's the bathroom. There's the bed. There's the windows that go out to the front porch and out. So directly out from this bedroom is the kitchen. Again, there's the front door to your left, the hallway, and here we have the kitchen. The other bedroom is through that door. There's the dining room, and over there is the living room. We'll go there in a minute. So this kitchen, turn on some of the lights here. It's very nice, bright. The floors are a nice color. They look like they're in great condition. Good sized pantry right here. All of the things that are in the kitchen are coming with it. So you're gonna get a toaster, you're gonna get dishes, because it's all set up for vacation rental. So they're the soft shut doors and drawers. There's a tenant here right now, so this oven top is a little bit dirty, but nothing that the cleaners can't get taken care of. It is a nice quality Bosch oven. Refrigerator, double freezer drawers down here. Again, there's a tenant, so lots of stuff in there right now. Microwave, under counter lighting, beautiful counters. Nice sink with a magnetic faucet there. One of the extras they added in here are these lights. This did not come in the original. Also, they added the fans that you see in there and in the bedroom, and then this chandelier in the dining room. Those were all added, as well as all the window coverings. Window coverings are included. Front room, or rather the living area. Remember we talked about this was on the outside of the building. So out those windows there is the backyard area. There's the little road back there, and then across the road is acres and acres of land that have no development plans right now. And you can see Mount Haupu in the distance. Kind of clouded over today, but beautiful nonetheless. So again, this is the dining room. I'll turn the light on now. Dining room, living room, very modern, clean look. There's the bedroom and the front door, and again the kitchen. Lots of storage space in the kitchen. I didn't really point that out before, but it does have good storage space. Extra outlets on the side as well as all the way around there. You could put, I've seen people put bar stools along this edge here just to have extra seating for people. Now let's take a walk into this other bedroom here. This is also a master. You and I were on the phone and I was a little confused as to which one was which, but in this floor plan, both bedrooms have a bathroom. This bathroom is quite a bit bigger than the other one. It's a double sink, lighting underneath the vanity. We've got a toilet room, that's a good size in here. And you've got a real walk-in closet here. This is a good size walk-in closet. Where's the light? There you go, there's the light. Very nice. And then there's not a bathtub in this bathroom. The other one had a bathtub. This one just has a shower. Nice built-in shower with windows. The windows have shutters over them to block anybody's view into the bathroom. Tile is nice, good condition. I don't see any cracks in here. There's some hair on the floor from the tenant, but that's it. Again, all art and furnishings, window coverings are included in the sale of this home. This is a very nice sized room here, very generous. It's a king size bed. Again, there's the bathroom. There's the kitchen. We'll walk out here. This is back porch. There's not so much furniture in front of the door over here, so I'm going to go out through this one so I don't run into their furniture. Oops. The doors slide easily. Oops, somebody's doing some yard work. This So this lawn area is pretty private. There's one other unit right over there that might have access, but it's a little distance away. So you have this balcony. It's a good size for a table. You can walk around that way. That direction is the swimming pool. Garbage cans are over that way too. You've got fans up above. And again, that right up there, just right in between there is the road. I hear a car coming. So that's the road. Oh, Poipu in the distance. It's a beautiful breezy day today. Okay, so we're gonna head back in. I hope I haven't made you too dizzy with moving around so quick. Everything is opening and shutting smoothly. One last sweep around.